Georgie, Mommy's not smart enough to figure out how to use this thing. So if we go to apps, and we click on our home, I don't know, apparently Mommy downloaded some books. Apps. And then see. These first ones are all the ones that we've already downloaded, Georgie. See, this is Kids, Shapes, and Colors. Which one do you want to do, George Outfit? You pick one. You want to do the coloring? Look. Daddy picked the coloring. Oh, you wanted to go back. You didn't like the coloring? Look. Your fingers are already on the screen, so Daddy can't do anything. Here you go, look. Purple grapes.
What is the color of a rain cloud? Pick the correct crayon and color the picture.
Good crayon, look.
It's not the correct color of the rain crayon.
Which color? Is it blue? Ooh, blue. Good job. Okay, there you go. Grab the brown one. Look, grab the brown one. Okay, Daddy won't help anymore. Oh, you went back.
Is that your tablet, George Alfred?
Oh, now you did it. Now you went on back to the home screen. Look, there's a camera, George Alfred. Do you want to see yourself like you always love to do? Oh, who's that? Now he's trying to color in this. He's taking pictures of himself.
He's so cute.
There's nothing on the back, dude. It's the same. The front is where all the actions are. Look, Georgie, look. Oh, ready? Take a picture of Daddy. Move your finger off the camera. You don't want to do that?
This is my tablet.
Now you're recording a video, George Alfred. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm pushing buttons.